In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a modern logo in Figma. This process is not only fun, but also quite straightforward, allowing you to let your creative juices flow while designing unique logos efficiently. So let's jump right in and discover how it's done. First, we'll navigate to Figma, which is a collaborative interface design tool. If you're not familiar, Figma is widely used by designers all around the world for its robust features and user-friendly interface, making it a top choice for modern logo design. So go ahead and open your web browser, then type in figma.com to get started. Once you are on the Figma homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the login button. If you haven't already set up an account, follow the simple steps to create one. Having your own account will allow you to save your design projects and access them anytime. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Figma homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can see all your past projects and start new ones. For today, let's head over to the top part of this page and click on Design. This tab will lead you to a new project page, serving as your canvas for creativity. In this fresh workspace, our goal is to design an innovative logo. To assist in our creative process, we're going to utilize a powerful plugin. Move your cursor to the top menu and click on Action. Now, plugins are essential in Figma as they enhance the software's capabilities with extra features like stock images, icons, and more. Next, you need to search for a plugin that will be incredibly helpful for our logo design. Go ahead and type Iconify into the search bar. Iconify is an invaluable tool for designers as it gives you access to a vast library of icons, which can be a great addition to any logo design. Upon finding Iconify, click on it to install and activate the plugin. You'll notice a new Iconify window popping up on your screen. The interface is intuitive, and you can browse a wide array of icons to incorporate into your logo. Finally, with the Iconify plugin ready, simply click on Run. This step enables you to begin creating and assembling elements to form your modern logo. You can experiment with the different icons and styles, tailoring them to suit your brand's vision and identity. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to design a modern logo in Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you explore and design, the better you'll get. Whether it's for your personal brand or a client, a well-designed logo can stand out and leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.